My dear students, competitive chemistry NEET JEE 2026 focus. The order of covalent character of potassium fluoride, potassium iodide, potassium chloride is. This question relevant to Fajan salts. If you are well versed in Fajan salts, definitely you can easily answer this question. You simply go for what Fajan salts says. Small the size of the cation. You know what is cation? Positive charge. Small the size of the cation. Cation size less. Larger the size of the anion, negative. So cation size less, anion size more. Cation size is small, anion size is big. So cation means positive, anion means negative. So you see K plus. Cation is same for all compounds. Cation same for all compounds. So you ignore the cation. You discuss about the anion. Here fluorine, here iodine, here chlorine. You write 17th group or 7th group, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. In a top to bottom, atomic size gradually increases. So iodine possesses more size, fluorine possesses less size. Iodide anion possesses larger size, fluoride anion possesses smaller size. Larger size of the anion favors covalent character. So you see this possesses maximum size. So this compound possesses maximum covalent character. Fluoride possesses lesser size. This possesses smaller covalent character. So Kf is less than KCl is less than Ka. So this is the increasing order of the covalent character. Highest covalent character potassium iodide, less covalent character potassium fluoride. The reason is cation same, but anion size, iodide size is more when compared to chlorine, when compared to fluorine. So the order is Kf is less than KCl is less than Ka is the right answer. Thank you. If you understand, frankly, strictly, honestly, you can subscribe.